Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is part 2 of Foldable number 1. For this one, we're doing translating of the parent function. And the parent function we have for this one is just y to the 2 to the x. It's the same parent function for the next 4 problems. So I guess I could just write the parent function here on the bottom just because it's enough to have it for everybody's. I made sure to keep it the same so it'd make it easier. So the parent function we need is y equals 2 to the x power. And this one is pretty simple. We're basically going to just draw our parent function here. So if we were to label our parent function, we just have a nice little quick table. We have our x's and then our parent function of 2 to the x. Once again, we'll just start at the -2, -1, -0, it doesn't really matter, 1 and 2. If we were to put this in here, this would be 1 over 4 because it'd be 1 over 2 squared because the negative ran down, then 1/2, 1, 2, and 4. So for both of the, I'm going to draw the parent function and then I'm going to do the transformation in this one in a different color than I do in the other one. So let's go ahead and draw our parent function first. So we go ahead and do our graph. We're going to go 4, so we'll just do this right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 for funsies. Alright, so our parent function we'll do in blue since we did this in blue. So at -2, it's at 1/4. At -1, it's at 1/2. 0, 1, 1, 2, and then 2, 4. So this is our nice parent function that we have. This one here, it's similar to what we were doing before. We'll do this one in green. So whenever we do this one, we can actually add this if you guys want to show how it works. But this one is going to be a translation of 4 units to the right, and you can see that by this. So each one of these points are going to be basically moved 4 units over this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess we got to kind of extend our graph over a little bit. 1, 2, 3. And we'll give one more just for funsies. This is going to move over again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, I guess we did need that one. And 4. So these are all moving 4 units over, 4 units over, 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 over. And once again, we've done this before. You guys remember when we do translations? Whenever you put it in parentheses, I know it's weird because it's in the exponential value, but you guys can see that it's actually going to be the same. So I can't use these numbers here because it just translate, but I can use this one. So this is at 2. So at 2, this one here would be, if I did that, it would be 2 to the 2 minus 4, which gives us a, when you do the subtraction, gives us a 2 to the -2, which was what this was when we plug it in. You see that? And if I do 2 to the 3rd power, 2 to the 3rd would be 3 minus 4 would give us our -1, which we got here. At 4 would give us a 4 minus 4, which gives us a 0, what we got here. So when we did that, it kind of lines up and gives us the same. Oop, our light went out for a second. Gives us the same kind of deal. All right, so let's go ahead and do the next one. We'll do the next one in red, this one here. This one is at x plus 2, so it's actually going to be moving from this one. We're going to have to move 2 units this way as well. So we got 1, 2. All right, so this one is going to be like, again, same thing. This is going to move 2 units, 2 units, 2 units. From here, 1, 2 units, and 1, 2 units here. And it's going to be this way. And once again, I'll show you that as well. So let's move 2 units that way, 2 units, 2 units, 2 units, and 2 units. So this one, once again, if we were to do this here, of course, this one's at -2. This one would have to be at -4. So -4 would be what we plug into here. negative 4 plus 2 would give us our negative 2, and that would be our 2 to the negative 2, which was the same as here. So it would still give us our 1/4. We'll check this point now. This is at 0. So 0 plus 2 would be 2 squared, which is what we got here. It's to the 4, so that's why we know it's there. So it's similar to what like I said, it's similar to what we were doing before to make sure that we're, moving. Since this is negative, we're moving to the right, and since this is positive, we're moving to the left. This is the opposite effect. All right, then we're gonna, we'll do the next video for the other one.